Ahead of the sixth phase of Lok Sabha polls, violence has erupted in India's West Bengal's Nandigram on Friday. Reports say West Bengal's Nandigram town, where elections will be held on Saturday, is tense after the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) alleged that one of its women workers was killed in an attack on the home last night. Police say several shops were torched by a mob in the town after the BJP worker's death. Meanwhile, Nandigram MLA and BJP leader Shubhendu Adhikari said BJP workers were guarding the booth in Mansa Bazar area of Shonachura in Nandigram last night. At that time, the grassroots miscreants jumped on them with sharp weapons. Seven people were seriously injured by the sharp weapons. But Trinamool denied the allegation, saying that the death was the result of the personal rivalry.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।